Oh, great. They're all... Oh. But Mama has been here, actually. Because that food has been eaten. Or maybe not. I don't know. Alright, babies. Oh, some didn't make it. Oh. Sorry. I'm gonna bring you back if we can bring you back, okay? To your mommy. In the meantime, oh, you're extremely skinny. God, their eyes are very bad. All of their eyes are bad. Los moscas. Oh man, but we're missing a lot of cats. 1, 2, 3, 4. There was 9 cats earlier. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Oh, their eyes are all bad. Oh, sorry, babies. So sorry. All bad right here. All bad. See, there's more. Oh, God. Oh, this is disgusting. You see those guys? Sorry, kitties. Come on, Baba. Oh, God. Look at their eyes. Eyes so bad. All right. No, puppy. Come back inside. All right. Wish me good luck.
Good luck.
Oh, God. Okay. Okay, how about... It looks... Oh, for the love of the cats. I'm sorry, baby. Come here, please. Oh, don't do that. No, Hazy. Yes, we're leaving now. And you guys will be fed, I promise. All of you will be fed. I know. Okay, here we go. This one. It's easier to put them in here than it is to put them in the carrier. All right, let's go. Let's go to a good home. We already missing 2. There was only 7 in there. And there used to be 9. And earlier there was another litter. I couldn't see how many there were, but that mama probably took those kittens already. Here we go. Yes, I know. You're scared, you're hungry. I know, you're hungry. You're hungry. You're hungry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, I know you're hungry. We gotta get you guys to safety. All right, well.